Hello friends, so today this is just super quick and easy. It's only going to take a minute. I made dal last week and I decided I would just, while I had the pan out, I would make a quick cumin chili oil that takes like 5 minutes to make. And if you just have some green chilies that are maybe sitting in your fridge that you don't know what to do with, this is what you make with it. So just a bunch of oil in a pan, chop up some green chilies and just cook them down till they're getting all blistered. You'll start to see they start to get like these white spots on them. Add a little bit of cumin seeds, salt, and that's it. That's like chili oil that flavors everything. I always make this when I make dal and sprinkle it over my dal and rice, and it adds a little hint of spice to it, but also all that green chili flavor that is just so delicious. It's perfect. If you don't want it too spicy, just eat the oil, not the actual chilies. And if you want spice, then obviously scoop some chilies into there, and there you go. This is great, even sprinkled on salad or grilled meats. That's it. So easy, right? Quick and easy chili oil. Full recipe on rootstory.com as always. See ya.